Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we're going to show you how to add the awesome explode effect to your text messages on iPhone. It's super easy. First things first, open up your Messages app and select the contact you want to message. Now, start typing your message. Once you've typed the word or words you want to explode, double tap on that word. You'll see it highlighted. You can even adjust the highlighted area if you want to select a different part of the text. Now, look just above the P key on your keyboard. You should see a Format button. Tap on that. This will take you to the Format page. On the Format page, you'll see different options. Simply select the Explode option. Boom! As you can see, the effect has been applied. You can now continue typing your message if you want, or just send it as is with the Explode effect. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more awesome tips and tricks.